Hello everyone. So, want to lock a screen while watching a YouTube video? Here's how to do that on any Android phone. So first of all, let's open up our settings. After that, let's scroll down to our security and privacy tab, open it up, then locate your more security settings, open it up as well. And here we are to find allow apps to be pinned option. Let's tap on it and let's tap on the switch near it in order to activate it. Also, you can enable lock form after unpinning if you want to do so, of course. So app pinning lets you to keep just one app on the screen until you're unpinned. For example, you can pin a game app or a video app just for your friend only to play it, or for your child only to watch it or to play it. So how does it work? Let's open up YouTube, for example. Let's play our video. Now to activate in this pinning mode and to pin it, we are to open up a recent apps menu, then tap on the YouTube icon at the top. Now tap pin this app. The app is pinned, and to unpin it, we'll have to press the sequence of recent apps and back buttons. So here is our video. Let's try and leave it. As you see, we can't to unpin this app. We have to do da. Now we cannot do anything. That's what's going on. However, if we're gonna do the sequence, as you see, the app is unpinned and we can use our phone as usual. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.